big price drop this month for a lot of NVIDIA GPUs. Yung 4070 Ti Super from almost 59,900 last month, 52,600 na lang siya ngayon. The 5070 Ti from almost 60,000, 54,700 na lang. The 5080 from 80,700, ngayon 75,500 na lang. This is Sulit Pa Saturday, where we take a look at GPU and CPU pricing data from our Price Watch tracking sheet. Ang dami pang ibang pricing data para sa ibang GPUs and CPUs. Lahat yon makita dito sa link na to. Or panoorin mo yung latest Price Watch episode namin sa YouTube, where we break down all of the important GPU and CPU pricing trends. Kahit nag-price drop, mabigat pa rin sa bulsa yung mga presyo, pero at least good sign na bumababa na yung mga prices. One time lang ba to, or is this the start of a trend? At least ngayon, may hard data ka na to help you decide if now is a good time to buy or hold muna. See you again next week for another Sulit Ba Saturday.